Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. I thank each and every one of you for watching, and also we've reached a milestone, 100 subscribers. And again, I thank all of you for subscribing to this channel and for clicking on these videos. I couldn't do it without you folks. I took a few days off this past weekend. I flew out to Florida. I spent 4 days out there, and well, actually 2 days, because I spent 1 day going, 1 day coming back, but 4 days total. But I went out there to visit my son in Port Orange, Florida, my son and my grandkids, and just went out there just to spend a little time with them, and got to spend a little bit of time out on the Spruce Creek Preserve, which is a little marsh system just a little bit to the south of Port Orange. It's maybe 10 minutes away, and we didn't have much luck out there. To be honest, we got skunked, but we got out there right after a thunderstorm had rolled through, and spent about an hour out there on it. It was a public fishing dock, and like I said, we spent about an hour out there, and just couldn't entice the fish to come up and bite anything that we tried to offer them. We fished with shrimp, we fished with lures, and they just weren't biting anything that we threw out there. But still, we had a good time. And like they say, bad day of fishing is always better than a good day at work, and of course that is true. And it's just hard to have a bad time in Florida. And then, of course, we also got to spend some time at the beach, and got to be in one of my son's drone videos. And I'm going to post a link to the video that he recorded while I was out there. I'm going to post a link to that video in the description box down below. So up to about the 18 second mark in that video, I'm in that video. I'll be at the bottom of the screen. You'll see me down there as he flies over and takes off and goes out towards the ocean. And I'll be wearing a very, very bright yellow t-shirt. You can't miss me. I'm out there with my grandkids. Like I said, at the bottom of the screen, up till about the 17 second mark. And then again, you'll see me in the lower left-hand corner of the screen as he brings the drone back in at the end of the video. I'll be the one out there, again, bright yellow shirt, waving him in. So I will get back on the boat build. As a matter of fact, I'm going to work on the boat some tonight, and but I just had to take a break and just had to go fly out there and go see my son and my grandkids for a few days. But the next boat build video will be forthcoming. I should be getting that one finished up. And I have actually been recording this video and the next boat build video simultaneously. So I'll be finishing up the editing work on that one and getting it uploaded probably about 3-4 days from now. So anyway, I just recorded some random scenes on my phone. I did not take a video camera with me, and it's about 4 minutes worth here. So with that said, hope you enjoy scenes from Florida.
I don't know how you get your boat here, but
Yeah, got to get it here somehow.
yeah, you be able to get all in those little.
Oh yeah.
There's all
Get up in all those little cuts right there. Alrighty. So what I am doing here, I am in Florida. This is my son. He's the one who's been uploading all those drone videos that I've been telling you about. And we've been watching a bunch of mullet jumping over here, and that means something's chasing them. And right now we don't have favorable weather conditions for fishing out here, especially in Florida. The rule of thumb is you hear lightning, you seek shelter. I mean, you hear thunder, you seek shelter. Excuse me. But yeah, if you hear lightning, it's probably too late. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna hang out here for just a little bit and see if this clears up. If not, we'll probably head back to the house. All right, we'll see you in the next segment. Okay folks, I am back. I don't know if the mic is picking this up or not, but I decided to take a few days off and come out to Florida. I am at a beach near Port Orange, and kind of close to Ponce Inlet. Oh, it is nice out here. It's every bit as nice as it looks. All right, folks, I'm going to stop recording and I'm going to go and enjoy the beach. Well, folks, you have to go all the way down to Padre Island in Texas to find beaches like this. It is definitely nice out here. I wish every one of you were here. I'm glad I am here. All right, next. Imagine listening to this every night. Yeah, folks, I used to live here, and I still act like a tourist. Just never get tired of it. All right, see you later. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. We just got a swarm of catfish right here. I'm at a restaurant here on the Halifax River in Port Orange, Florida. And these catfish know where the food's at. I'm guessing people are feeding them hush puppies. All right, we'll catch you later. All right, folks, and there is Orlando International Airport. My trip to Florida is coming to a close. Time to head back to Dallas, and I'll be taking my exit here in a moment. That's it. That's the airport, and like I said, time to go back to Dallas. But yeah, there will be more trips in the future like this. Hopefully we'll get to stay a little bit longer next time. So yep, there we are. All right, folks, we will see you back in Texas.